So this is the Golden Heavy Duty Avenger. Big tires, air, big seat, 500-pound weight capacity. I'm gonna take it on a little spin. See how it handles. Very simple. Speed, fast, slow, light, horn, blinkers, blinker left, blinker right. That's a hazard, by the way. Controls. It's not that fast. See how it handles. It's pretty big grade, so. Oh yeah. No way it makes that. Oh yes. Oh, that's pretty impressive. I'll show you that real quick. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand, but I just yanked it up that with no problems. It doesn't look steep, but that thing's pretty steep. I don't have the grade, and we came up this hill. So that's the Colorado, and we're above it. So steep incline, handled it very well. No spring shock suspensions, but it's really smooth. I know we're bouncing a little bit, but it's not too bad. It's a lot smoother than the Maxima. It's bigger. It can come apart. It's not something I would suggest doing. 22 NF batteries. Got the MK American made 22s. We'll go up this. Oh yeah, no problem. This is usually cleared. I'm about to clean this thing up. It's pretty thick stuff. Actually really thick. It's probably up to my knee. Right through all this stuff. I mean, you can tell. Look at this. It's thick. Very thick. Right through it. Boom. Never really sold this one too much. Never done a really ride along on it. I'm glad I did this, because I have a customer that needs something to go up a pretty steep hill, and he doesn't want something overly big. I can let you know if you buy something, and I'll have it on the website, or watch the videos. We do a real true video. I will say that this thing handles extremely well. Turns pretty good for a big scooter. It's a lot smoother because of the air tires. Now this is a big steep drop right here, and I would not suggest people doing this. I really don't even suggest me doing it. But I'm gonna do it. So I'm just gonna come straight down. You just don't, it's still a big scooter, but this is a big lean. So yeah, don't, that was probably not smart. But did extremely well. I'm happy with it. We'll have this delivered to this guy because he'll like it.